This video is us working through the questions on the mini quiz review. So let's start with question number 1. Negative 8m equals negative 9m plus 6. So I'm going to add 9m to both sides to get all the m's together. And that gives me m equals 6. And that's all you have to do for number 1. For number 2, we have 6 times negative 20s plus 18 equals 12s minus 18 minus 6s. So I'm going to distribute this 6. I'm going to get negative 120s plus, and then 6 times 18 is 108 equals, and I'm going to combine these like terms, 6s minus 18. So I'm going to add 120s to both sides. I'm going to add 18. And I'm going to get 126 equals 126s. Divide 126 from both sides. And s equals 1. All right, for number 3. We have s equals u times t, and we need to solve for t. So first step, find t. It's right here. It's being multiplied to u, so to get rid of it, I just need to divide. So s over u equals t. And I'm done with number 3. That's all I had to do. I got t by itself. It is done. Now I have z equals y plus x. I need to solve for x. So I see x here. It's being added to y. So I'm going to subtract y from both sides. And I get z minus y equals x. So that's all you do for number 4. The absolute value of x equals 7. All right, absolute value is already isolated. So I just need to set that up to the positive number and the negative number. And that's all. I'm done with number 5. Number 6. 5 equals the absolute value of x plus 2. So first I need to isolate my absolute value. Since 2 is being added, I need to subtract it. So now I get 3 equals the absolute value of x. So now I do what I did up here. X equals negative 3, or x equals 3. Number 6 is done. Number 7, it asks us, how many solutions does this equation have? So we don't even need to solve it. We just need to figure out how many solutions it has. So remember, if an absolute value equals a positive number, there's 2 solutions. If an absolute value equals 0, there's 1 solution. And if an absolute value equals a negative number, there are no solutions. So in this case, there's 1 solution. All right, let's make some more room. Number 8. It's number 8 here. We have negative 6 equals negative 3 times the square root of negative 2x minus 7. So again, the first thing I need to do is isolate that. So I'm going to divide by a negative 3. So 2 equals the absolute value of negative 2x minus 7. So now I'm going to set this expression up to 2 and negative 2. So negative 2x minus 7 equals 2, and negative 2x minus 7 equals negative 2. And I'm going to solve each equation separately. All right, so this gave me a fraction, negative 9/2, or if you want to put it in a decimal, that's what that would be. And for this, plus 7, negative 2x equals 5, divided by negative 2, divided by negative 2, x equals negative 2.5, or negative 5/2. All right, and then our last one here is your extra credit one. So for this, we have r equals 1/2 tu, and we need to solve for u. So our u's here, it's being multiplied by 1/2 or divided by 2 and multiplied by t. First thing I'm going to do is get rid of the fraction. I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. And I get 2r equals t times u. And then I'm seeing that they're being multiplied together, so I'm going to divide. So 2 times r over t equals u. And that is my final answer.